Each month, Google prepares new over-the-air updates for its current generation of smartphones. These updates are typically focused on fixing major security concerns, but they can sometimes bring new features to the device as well. It's always advised to install these updates each time you see they are available, and the company does a good job at notifying you when these major over-the-air updates are available. However, the company also works on creating a different set of software updates for Android that are not specific to this smartphone firmware. These updates are called Google Play System Updates, as they are pushed out through the backend of the Google Play Store. And these updates are not installed from the Play Store application itself. The company also does a horrible job at prompting you to install them, and you have to initiate the install by finding an option buried among the vast number of menus in the Settings application. So this video is a reminder to all owners of the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro to manually install these updates yourself. Google announces these updates in a support document website, and the changes range from new features to connectivity fixes, and can even include some bug fixes related to account management, security, and being able to update various services that your phone uses every day. To download and install these Google Play system updates on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, we first need to open up the Settings application and then scroll down until you see the About Phone section. Once we tap that, from here we're going to scroll down a little bit and look for the Android version menu. Once we tap this, we get some details about the version of Android that is currently running on our device. And we can also see there is a menu option labeled Google Play System Update. So right now I have the October 1st version of this update installed. And we can check to see if there is a new version by tapping this option. You can see the phone is going to check to see if there is an update available. And if there is an update available, it is promptly downloaded and installed to your device. After the installation is complete, you're going to get told to restart to update. So after the new Google Play system update has been installed, let's go ahead and tap the Restart Now button at the bottom right so that those new changes can be applied to our device. We're going to see the phone go through the typical reboot cycle. So we're going to be shown the boot animation sequence, and it's going to boot us right back into the Android operating system. It's not going to take a long process at all. You're just going to see that progress meter right there. Google has a history of pushing out these updates at the start of each month, but there are some instances where you'll find that an additional update gets released with some new changes and fixes. And since we don't get a notification prompt to install these updates, some people may find that they can go multiple months without installing a new Google Play system update on their Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. So if you're noticing that the date displayed here is off by 2 or more months, then know that you have to come back here again after installing that new update to get the next update downloaded and installed as well. It's generally a good idea to just randomly check to see if there is a new Google Play system update available. And even after you just install the new update, come back here until you get the "Your device is up to date" message. And just like with most updates released by Google, it can take some time before the newest version is made available for your device. So even though the company has announced the Google Play system update for December, your device may still be on the October or November version. Again, it's best to just get in the habit of checking if there is a new Google Play system update every now and then.